This should only take 3 minutes. Find a place that is comfortable to sit or to lie down. Feel the support of whatever you're sitting on, whatever you're lying on. Relax into it. You who are always holding things up, take this moment to lie down and be supported. Feel the support and let go of any tension. Take a deep breath in, hold it, release anything that stands in the way of your calm and your relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply and steadily, bring your focus to the moment that you felt most joy as a father. Perhaps it was a quiet moment. Perhaps it's now. But feel that moment that you understood your role as a nurturer, as a healer, as a unifier for your family. Imagine all of your family standing in a circle and saying those moments back to you, that they saw you as a father, that they witnessed how you ministered, healed, nurtured, provided for, protected, loved, cared for, and emotionally made space for your family. See the impact of your fatherly love and how you hold your nuclear and extended family together. Feel the healing and unity and balance that you bring into the life of the people that you love. See the work that you've done as a father as legacy work. See how it will determine and mold the future. You matter so much to this community. You matter so much to the world. Every time you fulfill your space as father, the world becomes a better place. Allow these affirmations to resonate with you. My presence and wisdom are invaluable to my family and the world. As a father, I create healing and unity within my family. I shape the future with the time and love I give to my children. My love has the power to bring my family together, to keep them, and to mold them. My active presence multiplies my wisdom and success. I am doing the legacy work of being a father. Take a deep breath. May you receive 1,000-fold all that you invest into your children and family. May your wisdom be multiplied by your presence in their lives. May you continue to be cherished and make moments with your family every day. You are appreciated and deeply valued. Take a few final deep breaths. Feel the love and gratitude that we have for you as a father. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes.